Hello, and thanks for hanging out with us. Today we'll be discussing how to listen to your microphone in Linux. So the first thing you're going to want to do is enter into your terminal. And because I'm on Debian, I'm going to enter in sudo apt install. And then we're going to look for a program called qpwgraph. So qpwgraph. Then we're going to hit enter. I need to enter my password. And it says that it's already at the newest version, which means I have it installed already. But that's just so that way you guys can know how to install it yourself. As far as any other distribution goes, I'll leave a link in the description to qpwgraph, and then that way it'll let you know how to install it if you're on Arch or Fedora or what have you. And so we're going to go ahead and exit out of that, and we're going to open up qpwgraph now. And what you'll want to do is you want to first find your speakers and you want to find your microphone. And your speakers is really easy to find, especially if you have something open up like VLC Media Player, because it's already connected to your speakers. So if you want to open like VLC Media Player, then that way it'll be easier for you to find your speakers. Then go ahead and do that. But these are my speakers here, this Family 17H, 19H. And this is my microphone. It is a Blue Snowball. And it is mono, so there's only one connection. But we can make that into two connections. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold down on our mouse here. And then we're going to drag this line out all the way to our left speaker. Then we're going to drag another one to our right speaker. And then that way we can hear ourselves talking while in Linux, doing whatever we're going to be doing. And in order to stop doing this, you'll want to click on the line and then hit the delete key. Go ahead and do it again. And now we can't hear ourselves. Alright, you can't hear me twice and I can't hear myself. Let me put it that way. And now we have come full circle. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And I shall see you guys in the next video.